So thank you very much and welcome to the Polytechnic Institute of Braganza. First of all, I would like to introduce Professor Michał Pośpiech. From a higher education institution in Kalisz, and he's also a partner of the Center of Wheelgear in Poland. He's going to talk to us about internship opportunities in Poland, which I'm sure are very important at this stage of many of your studies. Thank you very much, Professor.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Michał Pośpiech. I represent the Higher Vocational State School in Kalisz. I finished my PhD in Poznań University of Technology on mechanical science, and my specialist is flexibility bodies with changing mass in non-symmetrical elasticity. So at this moment I work on Polytechnic faculty, and it's a pleasure to have a meeting today to present our school special the GEAR censure tests. On this first slide you can see a few buildings from our university, and the most I will just talk about the GEAR censure. Okay, a few words from the history. So we had an establishment of our institution in 1999, and in the same year we started the first studies on our university. We obtained the patron name in 2005. Well, I have to say that during a few years we are the best vocational state school in Poland. So during 9 years we have prizes, and for this moment we are waiting for another test, because in 2 weeks or 3 we will have an information that maybe we will the best school in Poland in last year. What are our institution authorities? If you will came to Poland to our school, you will probably have met this professor. So first, our rector, it's a person the same like your president, so this is Professor Hajda. The vice rector is Mrs. Professor Pisarska-Krawczyk. The next vice rector is Professor Andrzej Kołodziej, and our chancellor is Kazimierz Matusiak. What is the structure of our school? So the first I have to say that we have a faculty of management, then we have a medical faculty, the same we have Polytechnic faculty and faculty of rehabilitation and sport. We of course are in cooperation, in international cooperation, the same with your university. You can see here this map with which universities we cooperate at this moment. At the same we just cooperate with United States, so students which are studies in our university have a possibility to visit different places and learn in different universities. So for this moment we have 33 signed bilateral agreements with foreign universities. Then at this moment, if we are talking about 2013 year, we have 55 students and 11 staff came for mobility from our partners, and we have 192 students and staff look part in international mobilities. We have a huge library, because we have above 100,020 books, then almost 400 subjected journals, 28,000 e-books, and students can use this not only in our library but the same in their home, and we have 9,500 electronic journals. Of course, in each faculty we have a special reading room and library, because it's very useful for students. It takes more than 1,500 quarter meters. Few information about our faculties. So, on the Polytechnic faculty, we have civil engineering, and specialization there is energy efficient construction, electrical engineering, when the specialization are automatics and metrology, electric power engineering, and renewable energy sources. We have an informatics, environmental engineering, where specialization is environmental protection. We have their air conditioning, heating, and ventilation. And mechanic engineering specialists, it's CNC machine tools, machine technology, and mechatronics. Mechatronics became from machine tools and our GIR center, about which I show you a short movie. And our master's program on this faculty is mechanical engineering specialization, measurement system and quality management, and environmental engineering, where the specialization is air, water, and sewage. The next faculty is medical, so we have here cosmetology, nursing, electroradiology, which will start in this year, because in Kalisz we had the newest in Europe center when we can find and try to finish the cancer in human bodies. So we will try to prepare a special people who will be able to prepare, construct, and maintenance of these special machines. Master's program there is nursing. And on the Faculty of Rehabilitation and Sports, we have physiotherapy and physical education. And the master's program there is physical education, which is waiting the same for our government approval for this moment. Faculty of Management, so we have there management, and their specialization is public administration and management, railway specific management, management of company finance, and logistic management. The next is international security, where specialization are anti-terrorist security, road safety, national security, unarmed and armed services, military system, and defense education. Master's program, there will be state defense and management and command, and these specializations are waiting for approval to start in this year. You have to remember that this is just the civil studies, so we will prepare human resources for army and government. Of course, we are trying to that our students should be in touch with big companies and had a possibility to make a practice in this company. So in this year we have meetings with different companies. For example, with Pratt Whitney, Technequip, Delphi, Meyer Tour Poland. We have here a person from Meyer Tour Poland who will just give you a few information about this. And the rest companies just interested in environmental engineering. So there was a lot of people from the companies, and of course a lot of students just asked about the practices, and there is a possibility that the students can get a work in these companies. How looks our didactic base? I show you maybe on a few photos. This is our main building when you came to Poland, and we will be on Erasmus. You must visit these places. This is the first. The next one is a Polytechnic faculty, and in the middle you can see our GIR test center, and we have there a passive house, the same. We have here a few laboratories with CNC machines, with chemistry laboratories. The next is our CNC center. You can see here a test room with coordinating machine with chemical laboratories. And the next one is our medical faculty with the main building, which is in the center of our town. And the last, the library, which you will probably visit a lot. So that's why I just work in Polytechnic faculty. I just want to show you few information about GIR Center, and I have hope that after this you will be able to come to Poland, to Erasmus, how your vice rector said. It will be a pleasure for us, and you will learn a lot. So I will just invite you to show a few movies.
Só para complementar para os ouvintes, não é? Aquilo que estão a ver é o Will Center, portanto, que é um centro, nos chamava de pesquisa, mais de serviços, na área da aviação. Ou seja, Kalisz é uma cidade muito industrial, cheia de empresas à volta de motores e peças para aviação e indústria automóvel. Okay? Portanto, é um sítio espetacular para alunos da área de mecânica, elétrica, de eletrotecnia e biomédica. Okay? Portanto, tudo isto que estão a ver é um centro que pertence à Universidade de Kalisz, mas que existe para dar apoio e para fazer testes de qualidade às peças que são produzidas. Quando eu digo peças, estamos a falar de motores de aviões, okay? Turbinas, não é? Portanto, peças são feitas nas fábricas ali ao lado, não é? Portanto, a Universidade conseguiu estabelecer uma ligação direta com essas empresas, faz uma prestação de serviço com as próprias capacidades técnicas e de investigação que tem na instituição, e isto está aberto para vocês como estudantes de graduação e para vocês como recém-graduados, ou seja, poderão, entenderem ótimo, e eu acho que sim, fazer um estágio, quer neste centro, quer nas empresas de Kalisz, quer na própria instituição.
Yes.
vídeo muito curto também está a mostrar a própria construção desse centro que acabamos de falar, que presta serviço de apoio às empresas.
So thank you for attention, and I will give a voice to my friend from Mayor to Poland.